multiplication. You're going to learn how to multiply. And if that sounds really scary or if that sounds like a difficult thing, it's just because you don't know how to do it yet. Once you learn the game, once you learn the process, it's fun, it's awesome. You see, multiplying is like being a detective. You're cracking a code, which is so cool. You're solving mysteries, like legit mysteries. Like I'm in an office building right now. There's a cake behind me. For some reason, I'm looking out right now at you guys, and I see that you're like, oh, we're gonna multiply. And once you learn it, it's just a game, so buckle in for the fun and the learning. Let's say you have 2 bikes, and for some reason they look the exact same, and somebody wants to give you an air pump. They ask a simple question: how many tires do you have to take care of? To figure that out, we're going to use multiplication. We're going to play the game. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so here is how multiplication works. So we put the number that's in each group, and then we put this X, which means times, and then the number of groups. So that tells us how many times that number is going to show up, and then we add them all together, and you've got your answer. Isn't that cool? And just a side note, to work, there has to be the same number in each group. Now remember, we're trying to figure out how many tires you have to take care of if you have 2 bicycles. Alright, now we have the wheels under each bike. Each bike has 2 wheels. 1, 2. So we write down a 2. Each bike has 2 wheels. Remember, the first number we write down with multiplication is the number in each group. Then we write an X. This X means times. 2 times. It's the symbol of multiplication. Alright, the second number we write are the number of groups. You can see them here. How many groups do we have of 2? How many? Yeah, 2. So it reads 2 times 2. To figure this out, we are going to skip count by 2. 2, 4. That means 2 times 2 equals 4. If you have 2 bikes, that means you have 4 wheels. 2 times is 4. Remember, this is how multiplication works. The number in each group times the number of groups equals your answer.
It was your stupid answer. Yeah.
Of course, to work, there has to be the same number in each group.
Keep going.
Yeah.
And then they heard you say, Sahani, stop talking.
تعالى.
Alright, let's take this to the next level. Let's say someone has 4 bikes. And here are their wheels. Woohoo! Yeah! You know how to do this now. Each bike has 2 wheels, so the first number we write down is the number 2. That's the number in each group. We're going to put the time symbol there and count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 times 4. This is so